What's going on, guys? Zach from Southaven Harley-Davidson here in Southaven, Mississippi, and I am proud to present our monthly bike build. Go ahead and cue the intro. All right, guys, welcome back, and check it out. This is our 2022 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special, and it's our custom bike build of the month, and I am super excited about it. As you can see, this is not your typical Road Glide at all. We've added a cornucopia of accessories and parts to this bike to make it what it is, and I'm super excited to talk about it. So off the bat, let's go ahead and talk about these handlebars here. As you can see, these handlebars are 12-inch. Meat hook style handlebars. They're going to be in the Factory 47 brand, and they're going to help put you in an upright riding position and help alleviate some of that lower back pain while you're riding. And it's going to allow you to ride for an extended period of time, which if you like to ride for a while, that's going to help. So let's go ahead and talk about this wheel in the front. This is a custom 26-inch front wheel. One thing I want to point out, we did retain the dual disc brakes, so you still have all your braking power up there in the front. And it's got that custom wrap fender to go around the wheel there as well. Gives it an awesome, cool look. The exhaust system on this bike is going to have the Thunder header, 2-into-1 pipe, and it's going to have the matching dummy pipe on the other side to help keep that asymmetrical look back there, because you do have the stretch bags on this bike as well. So this bike is equipped with a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight. It's going to have loads of torque and power right out of the box. And it is matched with probably, in my opinion, the smoothest shifting transmission on the market right now. It's got the 6-speed cruise drive transmission on it. Nice shifting transmission to back up the power that this bike offers. And lastly, it's going to have that air ride system. It's a fast air ride system, so it doesn't take long for it to build up air and raise and lower the bike. Really nice system as well, and we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how that looks and how it works. So up here on the front, you're going to have 3 switches. One's going to be for the front, one's going to be for the rear, and one is going to be for the center jack stand, which is really cool. So you're just going to turn your ignition on. You're going to hear the compressor engage. Go ahead and raise the front and rear up at the same time. Super easy, super quick. Raise your center jack stand, and voila, you're done. And if you want to lower it back down, you lower your center jack stand first. I like to grab the front brake and just push both front and rear down at the same time. Super cool. And we're gonna go ahead and fire it up too, so you guys can give this exhaust a listen. As I said before, that Thunder header exhaust system is going to sound absolutely wicked. And if you guys want to find out more information about this bike, make sure you come see Zach at Southern Thunder Harley-Davidson in Southaven, Mississippi.